Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to receive or request money in PayPal. It's pretty simple and easy, so let's start. First of all, make sure to log in into your account with your right credentials. Once you're on this page, just go to the third tab, which is Pay and Get Paid. After that, go to Accept Payments and click on Request Money. Now once you get redirected to this page, you need to go to the search bar and type the name, username, email or the mobile phone of the person you want to receive the money from. Now for example this one, select next. After that, select the amount you want to receive, for example $20. After that, you can add multiple users, select the reason from here, and then select request now. Now once you did that, you will receive this notification right here. You will need to confirm your email in order to follow up with the process. Now after that, your request has been sent to the person successfully. You can now request more payments or just wait for the person to pay you as soon as possible. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.